and normally I do this routine like every 2 weeks, every week if I'm feeling productive that weekend. I actually have a lot of homework to finish up today because I've been procrastinating, and I have a few errands to run, something to return, so you guys are just gonna come along with me today. Okay, I'll show you guys my outfit before I start cleaning because obviously it's a mess. But it has gotten colder and it feels like fall now. So I'm wearing these Lululemon leggings and this Billabong sweatshirt. And if you saw this in my beach vlog, it has become my favorite sweatshirt just because it's so cute and comfortable. So I'm wearing it all the time, and it's starting to get really cold. Or personally, I think it's cold. So this is just something comfortable that I like to throw on. Welcome back to my car. Okay, I said I had to return something, and I'm going to PacSun to return this shirt that has like a makeup stain on it, and I don't really want to keep it because I couldn't like take the stain out, but it was so cute. Anyways, I'm heading to the mall right now, and I'll update you guys at the mall. I literally hate driving through garages, like, but I actually parked pretty straight. Look how straight that is. It's pretty good. Okay, time to go return this and see if they let me return it. Okay, so I'm back and I returned the shirt and I ended up getting McDonald's. So now I'm gonna eat, and then I have to go pick up my mom from the house because she wants to go shoe shopping and I want to go with her, so we're gonna go together. Okay, my mom just built me this desk chair, and if you saw my room tour, I had like a really old chair that just wasn't it for me, but I literally love this chair and it's so comfortable. So now I can actually be productive with a desk chair that's not like a regular chair. I'm gonna do a quick Target haul. So first thing I got was this hair mask that I always get. I love this brand, and I got their leave-in heat protectant, and then I got two things for my car, this Dove hand sanitizer because it is winter and I need something that's gonna also moisturize my hands as well as like keep them clean. And then I got a lint roller for my car. The last thing that I got was this coaster that I showed in one of the clips, but I got it for my desk because I always have drinks on it and I don't want it to ruin the desk. But it's so cute. I literally love it. The lighting is really bad because of these two lights, so excuse that. But I just put my laundry to wash, so I think I'm going to do homework while I wait since I have a lot of it, and I'll give you guys a little montage of me doing homework.
A lot of boring math later.
I just finished all my homework, and it has taken me so long because I had to keep redoing something, and then I had to do like 3 other assignments. But it's now almost 6 o'clock. So I think what I'm going to do now is plan my week. I've actually gotten really into planning. So I think I'm going to plan out my week and then fold my laundry that's been sitting in the dryer. Time to fold my laundry. We are going to the grocery store for the week. I honestly don't need that much from the grocery store, but I'm just gonna get a few things. I definitely feel like I've accomplished a lot today. I'm halfway through editing this video, which I didn't end up filming, so I've done a lot like off camera as well. But the last thing that I have to do is wash my hair and shower, get ready for the week. And that's why my hair has looked so freaking greasy in this video. Like, I know it is greasy, it is wash day. So I only have one more thing to do in my reset routine, and then I'll be done and I can go to bed. Okay, I'm officially out of the shower, and my mom just made dinner, so I'm gonna go eat dinner, and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair out with my Dyson. I bought some of these San Pellegrino Clementine Peach, and they're like 8% juice. So I'm gonna have one of these with my dinner, and then I'm gonna put the rest in my mini fridge that's in my room. And I'm gonna eat dinner and watch Modern Family while I eat dinner. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be blow drying my hair out. I'm gonna do a little montage of it because it's gonna take too long for me to actually show you guys. And I want to do an in-depth hair video because personally I take my hair care really seriously, and it's taken me a long time to find products that are good, so I kind of want to do a video on it. But for now, I'm just gonna blow dry my hair out. Okay, I've done one side, and I still need to put oil on it because it does look a little frizzy, and I still have to do my bangs. But this is how it looks so far. My phone ended up dying downstairs, but look at my hair. I finished it. I still need to put some oil in it, and yeah, to make it look a little bit better. But I'm done with my routine, and it was so freaking cold last night that I think I'm getting out a thicker blanket and putting it under the sheets that I have right now, and then I'm gonna actually go to bed. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment down below what your reset routine looks like. I'm genuinely curious. Anyways, see you guys next video.